If you want to turn your bathroom into a high-end spa sanctuary without a major renovation, this advanced, elegant flower-shaped bathroom anti-slip mat set is exactly what your space is missing. We've all seen those standard fluffy rugs that take hours to dry and trap every bit of dust. But this set uses modern Diatomaceous Earth technology to give you a clean, sophisticated look that's actually functional. The first thing you'll notice is the graceful flower design. It features bold, hand-drawn style black roses on a crisp white background. It's incredibly striking and works perfectly if you have a minimalist or black and white bathroom theme. Because the shapes are advanced shaped, meaning they follow the curves of the flower petals rather than just being a boring rectangle, they add a layer of texture and designer flair to your floor that feels very boutique. But let's talk about the tech, because that's the real winner here. These mats are made with a diatomaceous earth layer, which is basically nature's super absorber. When you step out of the shower, the water doesn't just sit on top, it gets sucked in and dries almost instantly. This means no more soggy bath mats and a much lower risk of slipping on wet tiles. It's also naturally anti-slip on the bottom, so once you place it, it stays put. The versatility of the set is also a huge plus. You can choose between 2-piece and 3-piece options depending on your layout. The 3-piece set includes the main doormat, a contoured toilet mat, and even a toilet lid cover to tie the whole room together. The material is surprisingly soft underfoot, but thin enough that it won't catch on the bottom of your bathroom door. A common frustration with those thicker, shaggier rugs. Maintenance is also easy, since you can just wipe these down or give them a quick rinse. I actually got this elegant flower mat set on Temu, and you can get yours for an amazing price. Just download the Temu app and search my code COMAND3176 to grab this exact set at a huge discount. Plus, all new app users who search my code will receive an exclusive $100 coupon bundle to use on their first haul. The community feedback is stellar with a 4.8-star rating, with verified buyers calling it absolutely beautiful and worth every penny. If you're ready to ditch the damp, old-fashioned bath rugs for something that is quick-drying, stylish, and super easy to clean, this flower-shaped mat set is a no-brainer. It's a complete bathroom glow-up in one package. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new spa day vibes.